Hi, this topical talks gonna show you how to find hidden text messages on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily view all of your hidden or unknown senders or others folder messages on your iPhone's message app. So by default, here as you can see, the filter option is not available. So we can't see or find hidden text messages. So go to your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on messages. And here scroll down and here you'll find this filter unknown senders option. So all you have to need to see all of your hidden or unknown senders messages, you have to turn on this option. And then go ahead and relaunch your message app. And now at the top left corner, you will see the filter option. Just tap on filter. And now from here, you can easily view any hidden folder to see messages. Here you'll find unread messages, unknown senders. So this is how we can actually find hidden messages on our iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.